Now we visit the botanical garden.
Yeah, University Botanical Garden from Hamburg.
Yeah.
Of Hamburg. This way.
Worth to wait. 10 long years I held on tight every night.
Distance tried, but love stayed strong. Kailan di kami pinabayaan kailan na.
Cheer through every call. God's grace carried.
When time tried to break our plan,
He showed it. We've been through fire, we've been through rain, but His love kept healing the pain. In every test we faced through the faith. Ich liebe dich, my heart will stay forever with you, come what may. God.
It's our last destination, right?
Yeah, that's why we want to go here with a lot of stops over because there are not a lot of nice things to see and to show and experience. Airbus was the second last. This is the last now. And we can go back for the same way as we can. So hopefully we have a park space now here left for us. This will prevent us from walking around as crazy. Let me see, where is the car park? It's, I think no, this is not where we can see. Buses on the road inside.
Is the main entrance?
Bus free, sorry. No, this is no. Yeah, this is the main entrance, yes.
It's up to you.
Let's go.
It's up to you.
So this is normally a very
So we reach here now, the garden, botanical garden.
it's very nice. So people, when you study here, Glockenstedt, it's a park. University of Hamburg.
So after ng mga yate at mga harbor na ating tinignan ngayon, dito naman tayo sa botanical garden. So ito yung punong-puno ng mga tanim, mga rosas, mga flowers, lahat ng mga pananim guys andito. So I will show you guys. Botia capitata.
This is an ordinary palm. Gali palm or jelly palm. Have you heard that? They're from Brazil.
Wow, so hard.
East Brazil. Origin Bahia.
And different kinds of. Is this chili? It's not chili.
I will start my camera as well, with you. No, that's not chili.
Not chili.
Yeah, right.
This is a sweet potato.
It really looks like that.
Oh, it's like a spinach, you know? Ipomia batatas. Yeah, it's sweet potato, really. Sweet potato. Yeah. Here. Here. In my piggery also I plant the one for the piggy. Yeah. And then this one is a red spinach.
Yeah, right.
Wow, nice, eh? Red spinach. Wow. And some flowers. I thought this one is chili. It's not chili. Wish shell flower. From Mexico. Wow. So, namangha tayo dito sa mga pananim. Andito yung ang kamote. Tapos yung red spinach. And then lahat ng mga sari-saring pananim ay mayroon silang scientific name and pangalan in local. Ayan, so ganda. Here is Gomphrena globosa. Well, sweet potato. The red one. So, ito guys ay bungad pa lang, no? So, ang bungad niya may mga pananim na. So, after ng mga bungad niya, mayroon ng main gate. So, ito yung kukuha ka ng parang stamp. Ano ka, magtawag dito? Magkuha ng ticket na allowed ka na pumasok sa loob. So, yun. And then, mayroong toilet yan sa loob. And then, maraming pananim sa loob, sari-saring mga pananim. So, katabi lang siya ng pagtawid mo, train station, and then main road. May mga bus and mga sasakyan. So, ito yung pinaka main gate niya. So, bawal ang aso. So, ito yung mag-asawa guys, yung pinaka-founder ditong ano na to, yung hectares na garden na to, botanical garden. Na ito ay ginagamit sa isang university sa pag-aaral ng mga halaman. Ayan, so, kaya may mga pangalan yan. At dito guys, ay napakalinis at wala kang makitang basura. So, talagang alagang-alaga ito. At yes! My tour guide is here.
There's a round course we can walk around.
Huh?
Like a bucket.
Like a peanut.
Like a bucket. Have you seen it? No. Not to eat.
No, not to eat. Wow.
Crazy.
And the name is? What's the name?
There's a Latin word.
La Statia Marcanta.
Next order.
I don't know.
Never heard.
They have cafeteria.
Yeah, there is. That's most important.
Yeah. The Aster Viminius. It means lovely.
Yeah, that's right.
From North America.
North America.
Yeah. Loki Smith. Wow, interesting.
It's nice. I don't know the bees on it.
What is this? Is this
Yeah, don't
Eriongium agavitolium whatsoever? A lot of bees. Oh my, scary.
You have to be very careful because they can bite.
Ooh, maybe she will.
Super animal.
Ooh, ooh.
Funny, they
I do one, I do one. I do one. A lot of bees here. Oh my, you see?
Yeah, they love it.
Ooh, don't come in.
They don't do something to you. They only want to have their head.
And somebody cleaning here? No. This one is Ceratula tectoria. Every plants have a name. Interesting. And then this one, what's this? Stipa calamagrostis. Wow. Stauden rabatan. So, that plants is here. Interesting. Smokan stauden. And this one here is a big trees. Green, green, green. The one. Wow. So much things to see here.
Yeah, I told you. This is university, of course.
This is a botanical who wants to study plants. Huh? Plants? Study the plants?
Yeah, for studying the plants. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
To show the environmental how it must be and everything's good.
Bee is here, big one.
This is nice.
This is sunflower. What is this?
Yeah, I like it sunflower. Yeah,
But it's not.
No, it's not.
Wow, punong-puno ang ice mo dito ng magagandang tanawin sa Germany. Uncomparable.
Yeah. Unique.
Unique. And I like it. That's for my hard work of my husband. Right?
Because of the embassy. My love masterpiece of this year.
Garden shop. So it means you can buy here.
Barber shop, right?
Garden shop.
I think you could buy the scene also. I don't know.
Here you can buy some stuff.
That's good.
Whoa, this one so that's the size, you know? Oh no.
So funny, right?
That can stink. I know. No.
Well, it's soft or hard?
So soft. Soft.
Looks very hard.
Looks.
Take one.
Locks only. Locks. Hipomarathrum. Geranium. Sanguinium.
What? Beautiful color.
Interesting. So, ito lang muna guys. So, mayroon tayong susunod na video karugtong nito. Interesting! So, now...